Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Redfin home search filters, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Redfin website. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top. Enter your desired city, neighborhood, or zip code into the search bar. Hit the enter key or click the search icon to display available properties. Look for the filter icon, usually represented by funnel or slider symbols. Click on the filter icon to open the search filters menu. You'll find various options to narrow down your search. Start with the price range filter. Adjust the minimum and maximum prices to match your budget. Next, set the property type filter to specify whether you want a house, condo, or multifamily unit. Consider utilizing the beds and baths filters to match your needs. Drag the sliders or enter specific numbers for the minimum and maximum desired bedrooms and bathrooms. If you have a specific square footage in mind, adjust the size filter accordingly. You can also set a list of additional preferences, such as a lot size or year built. Explore the additional features section, where you can find options like new construction or has parking. Once you've set your preferred filters, take a moment to review your selections. Click the Apply Filters button to update the property listings. The page will refresh, showing a narrower selection of homes that meet your criteria. Use the map view to see the exact locations of the filtered properties. Feel free to adjust your filters further if needed to refine your search. Check for new listings regularly to stay updated on available homes. Once you find homes that catch your interest, you can save them for future reference. Consider setting up email alerts for new listings that match your criteria. Explore the details of each home by clicking on the listings. Take note of crucial information, including price, amenities, and neighborhood details. Utilize Redfin's market insights to evaluate property value trends in your area. With these steps, you can efficiently configure your Redfin home search filters to find the ideal property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.